So what we have here is a specific portion of the circle, which we call a sector, and we know it's 216 degrees for the measure of that central angle, and the area of that specific sector is 15 pi. So if we want to find the area of the entire circle, we're going to go ahead and set up a proportion, and there's various ways you could do this. But the way that I would see it is 216 degrees is to 15 pi as, so that's kind of a part relationship. Now for the whole relationship, we have 360 degrees for the whole circle, and we want to find out what area does that account for. So that's what we're solving for. Now another very valid approach to doing that, and another essentially logical way, would be saying, okay, 216 is the part to 360 being the whole, 15 pi is the part in terms of area to an area for the whole being A. So either way totally works for me. Let's continue with this approach, where when we cross multiply, we get 216a, which you would have gotten here as well, equals 15 pi times 360. And then notice this cross product would have given you the same thing. So either setup totally works. So now we'll go ahead and divide both sides by 216. Now, something to keep in mind, especially as you're getting to the end of the problem, is to see the answer format in the sense that these all have pi in them. So I don't want to type pi in my calculator. That'll just give me some crazy decimal. So I'm going to type everything else in my calculator. More specifically, I'm just going to do my alpha y equals, keep this as a fraction, just in case it needs to be reduced, because you can see there's a 1/9 and a 1/25 option. So I'll do 15 times 360. Remember, we're leaving the pi out over 216. And we get 25. So 25 pi, which matches with option D.